And today is the 10th of November 2021. We have Paatsamakuja 4 sticky. This is the last sticky. You can see that Swedish bird over here. Capacity is 4 plus 325 grams. This is a very interesting residential building here in Koivukylä, Björkby, close to Leile in Vantaa, Helsinki region, also modernized Finland, because it was finished at the turn of the year 1984-85, where the Texas A&B received in January 1985 the Kone fixtures that had been newly introduced, but the Texas City and they still got the B8 fixtures, or B series as you can also call them, in late 1984. It says in Swedish finish here, fire door, and the serial number here is H63175. It's 1275 from Texas A to E. It will be inspected in 2023, and it turned 35 years old in 2019. It's from 1 to 6 here, but Texas D, the Texas D has from K and 1 to 5.
Yeah.
I love how it moves here.
Yeah.
And I love the smell here. But I think the sounds are better in the other 4 stacks.
Yeah.
So I'm trying.
Speedpark-device maintained by Kone.
I also wonder, these could possibly be the very last ones with the MB8 fixtures. They finished in December 1984.
Yeah.
The last ones ever, probably.
Mm.
And then the H6 MB, the very first ones with Kone fixtures from early 1985 in January 1984,
Yeah.
probably. Except the prototype in Salo.
Yeah.
That was from late 1984. So
That's
it. And